See friends, 8 friends P to W were born on different years 1979, 1981, 1975, 1987, 1985, 1997, 1991 and 2000, not necessarily in the same order. Note, they all were born on 1st January and consider their ages as on 1st January 2019. See friends, what he has given, there are 8 friends. 8 friends were born on different years. Those years he has given. What he is saying here, all were born on 1st January on those years. And what he is telling, consider their age as on 1st January 2019. See friends, we have to understand the problem. He has given 8 friends born on different years, 1st January, and he is saying that you consider their age as on 1st January 2019. See friends, coming to the problem. 3 persons are born between R and Q. See friends, 3 persons are born between R and Q. See friends, first we will make one diagram based on the ages. Total what he has given, 8 years he has given. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See friends, first year 1975. So 1975, next 79, 81, 85, 87, 91, 97, 2000. See friends, 2000. What he is given, they all were born on 1st January of these years and consider their ages as on 1st January 2019. See friends, if somebody is born on 1975 January 1st, what is his age as on 1st January 2019? How much is his as on 2019? 44. Here 40, here 38, here 34, here 32, here 28, here 22, here 19. See friends, if somebody is born in 1975, his age is 44 years as on 1st January 2019. We have to find the age as on 1st January 2019. So I find the ages of all the persons as on 1st January 2019 based on these years. Now first sentence, what he has given, there are 3 persons between R and Q, and also given R is older than Q. Q was born after R. See friends, then possible cases I will write here. If R born here, because he told that Q was born after R, that means R is born before Q. So 1, 2, 3. 3 persons should be between R and Q. Then next possibility. Here R, here Q. Like this, total 4 possibilities will come. If R is here, then 1, 2, 3, Q will be here. If R is here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 possibilities came by using the first sentence. So this is over. Next, see, there is a relation between R and S is there, because there is no relation between R and U or Q and U. Then I am taking R and S. What he has given, there is a age difference between R and S is 10. See friends, you observe, if you keep R here, then S should be here because age difference is 10 between these two. Next one, coming to here. Here R is, if you keep R here, then R age is 40 years. Then S age should be 30. Here no chance for 30. Then this is not the correct one. You leave it. Then go for this one. If you keep R here, then R age is 38. Then S age should be 28 because difference should be 10. Then 38 to 28 difference is 10. Then if you take this one, see friends, if you take R as 34 years, then S should be 24 or 44. See friends, here 44 is there, no 24. Then S should come here because there is a difference between the S and R ages is 10. But he didn't mention who is younger, who is elder. Then I have taken like this. Go for this sentence. This is also over. Go for this sentence. You and we and you. See friends, there are two persons between you and we. See friends, we will take now this one. If you keep here you, see friends, if you keep you here, because he didn't mention the relation, who is younger, who is older between you and we, then 1, 2, you or we should come here because already Q is here. Then no chance of you and we here. Then you check here, you or we. Two persons between them, 1, 2. Then definitely you or we will come here. Then no other chances here for you and we. Because if you keep you or we here, then 1, 2, third place here, then there is no chance of third place here. Then you just check this one. If you keep you or we here, you or we here, then 1, 2, you or we will come. See friends, here some other chances also there. Just write it. From this another chances is there. If you keep, see friends, R, S, Q, this one. If you keep U or V here, then there is a two places between U and V, 1, 2. Then U or V will come here. See friends, another also will come from here. Another possibility. R, S, Q. See friends, here we have kept from this one only, again one more will come. Here U and V, then you just check here. If you keep U or V here, then definitely U or V will come. Then there is no other chances. Then you check here, this one you check it. See friends, if you keep U or V here, then 1, 2, then U or V will come here. Then from here another chances also is there. See friends, S or Q, another chances also is there. Then if you keep U or V here, then 1, 2, then U, V will come here. See friend, is there any other chance? If you keep U or V here, then 1, 2, U, V should come here, but Q already is there. Then these are all the options. See friends, next there is a relation between V and W. Then we will try for that relation. See friends, first we will check here. See friends, V should come, that means V born between W. This means V born between W. Sorry, V born before W. See friends, if you keep V here, then W should come here. Then this is not the correct. Then definitely U should come here. Then here V will come. Then VW. That sentence is true. So next you try here. See friends, you are V here. If you suppose keep V here, then W will come here. Then you just write here V, then W will come here, then U will come. See, from this we will get another one also. We can keep V here, then W will come here. Then another possibility is there. See friends, if you keep U here, then R, here V, then W will come here, then S, then here Q. See friends, two possibilities are there here. If you keep V here, then W will come here. If you keep U here, then V, W will come here. Like that I have written. Here there is no other chance. See friends, here you take it. Same here also. If you keep V here, then W will come here. If you keep V here, then W will come here. Then two more possibilities will come. See friends, if you keep V here, then W will come here. Then U will come here. Then same S, R, Q. Then if you keep U here, then V will come here, then W will come here. Then this is also over. This is also over. Then you try it. If you keep V here, then W should come here. But already R is there. If you keep V here, then W should come here. But S is there. Then it is not the correct sentence. See friends, here also. If you keep V here, W should come here. Then this is not correct. If you keep V here, W, there is no place for W. Then this is also wrong. See friends, here. If you keep V here, W should come here. But R is there. Then it is not the correct. Then if you keep V here, then W should come here. Then there is a possibility. Then you keep U here, then V here, then W should be here. Then all possibilities came. There is no other possibilities for W. Then this is also over. Then you go to the last sentence. Sum of the ages of the W and T is one more than the age of the P. See friends, that means P is elder than W and T. See friends, P is elder than, that means W and T less than P, or P greater than W and T. See friends, you go for first sentence. W, if you keep P here, then T should be here. But what he has given, W definitely should be elder than the W and T. So definitely P will come here, T will come here. But what he is telling, sum of the ages of the W and T is one more than the age of the P. What is the age of the P? 40 as per this. What is the age of sum of the ages of the W and T? 30 plus 39, 41. 41. What is the difference? 1. So this is the correct one only. We will check another one. See friends, W is here. Then definitely P should be here or here. But as per this, P is elder than W. So this is not the correct one. You check this one. Here also, there are two places. Either here or here we should keep P. If you keep here, then W is elder than P. But as per this, P is elder than W. So this is also not correct. Then you check here. See friends, W here, two places are there. Definitely P should be elder than W and T. Then T should come here. Then ages of the T and W how much? 22, 32. 22, 32, 44. Here P age is 40. Then difference is 14. But what he is telling? Difference should be 1. Then this is also wrong. Then you check here. If you keep T here, then P here. Then W how much is? 32. Here 19. 32, 19 how much? 32 plus 19 how much? 51. But here for age of the P is 40. Then difference is 11. But difference should be 1. This is also wrong. Then you check here. If you keep T here, then P should be here. Then age of the P how much? 38. Here W and T age is how much? 28 plus 22, 50. But the difference is 12. So this is also wrong. See friends, only this is the chance. See friends, next problems related to this puzzle. See friends, first problem. What is the age difference between R and Q? See friends, what is the age difference between R and Q? R age is 44. Then Q age is 32. That means age difference is 12. Then next one, in which year Q born? See friends, in which year Q born? 1987. Third one, how many persons are younger than you? See friends, how many persons are younger than you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 persons are younger than you. Next one, which of the following persons younger than P? See friends, which of the following person younger than P? See friends, younger than P. Except R, all are younger than P only. See friends, except R, S, Q, V. That means all are younger than P. Next one, who born just before V? See friends, just before V. That means Q. Q was born just before V. So nothing is there friends. Who attend this type of problems? Definitely they will secure good marks and they will secure the job. But you should prepare well. If you practice number of times, then easily we will get the 5 marks. Nothing is there, but we have to practice it. If you practice it, then automatically you will get the number of thoughts.